In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Fifth Third mobile branches and ATMs near you with ease. Whether you're out running errands or planning a trip and need to find your nearest Fifth Third branch or ATM, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. First, you'll want to start by opening up your web browser. A quick and easy way to locate your nearest Fifth Third mobile branch or ATM is to visit the official Fifth Third Bank website. So, without any further delay, type in u.53.com/content/fifththird and an HTML into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Fifth Third homepage, the first thing you should do is direct your attention to the top part of the page where you'll find various icons. Look for the one that resembles a location pin. That's the icon you're going to need for this process. Click on this location icon, which will take you to their branch and ATM locator. Now that you're in the locator section, you have several options at your disposal for searching. If you have a specific area in mind, you can type in your zip code, city, or state into the search bar. This option is pretty straightforward and allows you to quickly pinpoint branches or ATMs in a particular location. Alternatively, if you're interested in exploring all Fifth Third locations, there's a handy Browse All link you can use. But what if you're on the move and need to find something nearby quickly? No worries, just beside the search icon you'll notice a My Location button. Click this and the website will use your current location to find the nearest branches and ATMs, making it incredibly convenient if you're unsure of the area around you. This simple process can save you a lot of time and effort. It's always beneficial to be aware of your nearest Fifth Third resources, whether you're traveling or simply navigating through your daily routine. Remember, being prepared is the key to a smooth banking experience, so there you have it, a straightforward way to quickly find any Fifth Third mobile branches and ATMs near you. Before you know it, this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful guides.